Twinkies Mania. Hi kids! Are you ready to meet some amazing animals? They live in jungles, deserts, farms, even snowy places. Let's say hello to each one and learn a little about them. Come on, let's go! This is a giraffe. Look how tall it is. Its long neck helps it reach the yummy leaves on tall trees. Say hi to the antelope. It runs super fast and has strong legs for jumping. Here comes the tiger. It has orange fur with black stripes and loves to sneak through the grass. Oh, wow! It's an anaconda! This big snake lives in the water and can swim really well. Meet the hippo. It's big and round and loves to splash in muddy water all day. Look, a crocodile. It has a big mouth full of teeth and lives in rivers and swamps. Here's a playful monkey. It swings from trees and loves to eat bananas. Here's a curious raccoon. It loves to explore and use its little hands to grab things. Say hello to the zebra. It looks like a horse with black and white stripes. Look at the bear by the stream. It's catching fish with its big paws. Splash! Here's a little squirrel. With its fluffy tail and bright eyes, it looks so cute. Wow, a camel! It has humps on its back and walks in the hot, dry desert. This is a hedgehog. It's small and spiky and can roll into a little ball. Brr! Say hi to the polar bear. It lives in the snow and loves to swim in icy water. Wow, look at this jungle cow. It has big, strong horns and walks proudly through the trees. Whoosh! That's a cheetah! It's the fastest animal on land. So speedy. Look closely. It's a tiny mouse. It's quick, quiet, and loves cheese. Ribbit, ribbit. It's a frog. It jumps really high and lives near water. Wasn't that fun, kids? So many animals from all around the world. Thanks for joining us today. See you next time for more animal fun. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe our channel if you like our video.